Hello, everyone. How are you? Doing well? Love to see you all again. I welcome you all to my channel, Talk with Me. Today, we are going to learn an important lesson, that is, simple past tense. Yes, the tense we use to talk about things that already happened. Haha, yes, the things you did yesterday, or maybe forgot to do. And before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. All right, ready? Let's begin. What is the simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to talk about actions that are finished. Repeat with me. Finished actions in the past. Once more. Finished actions in the past. Remember. Examples. I played football yesterday. She watched a movie. They visited the park. See? All the actions are done, completed, finished. Did you get it, my... Haha, it is easy, isn't it? Okay, let's see... How do we form the simple past? Are you ready? Let's go. First is regular verbs. Most verbs just add ed at the end. Look at these verbs. Play turns to played. Watch turns to watched. Clean turns to cleaned. You see, at the end of each word, ed is added. Repeat after me. Regular verbs add ed. One more time. Regular verbs add ed. Simple, right? So easy, even my cat can learn it. And the second one is irregular verbs. These verbs do not follow the ed rule. They change completely. See, go changes to went. Eat changes to ate. See changes to saw. Have changes to had. Irregular verbs are like naughty children. They don't follow rules. Just kidding, okay? Repeat with me. Irregular verbs change form. Again. They change form. Okay, are you tired? No? That's my good students. Okay, let's see. When do we use simple past? We use it when talking about yesterday, last week, 1 hour ago, in 2020, etc. Examples. I went to school yesterday. She ate rice 2 hours ago. We visited London last year. Got it? Okay, now... Tell me, what did you do yesterday? Haha, don't worry, I can't really hear you, but you can answer in the comment box. I will check all the answers later. Okay? Good. Now we are going to discuss how we make negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use did not or didn't plus base verb. Look at these examples. I did not go to school. She didn't eat breakfast. They didn't watch TV. Repeat with me. Did not plus base verb. Didn't plus base verb. We have to remove ed from the verb here. Keep it in mind. Don't forget. No ed after did not. Never, never, never. Good. Now it's time to make questions. Okay, here we use did plus subject plus base word sentence formation. Examples are, did you play football?
Did she cook dinner? Did they travel last year? Students, repeat loudly. Did plus subject plus base verb. Great! If you repeat it loudly enough, maybe your neighbors will learn English too. Student, keep one thing in your mind. Sometimes sentences start with WH words, and even then we use did plus subject plus base verb.
Okay, students, for today, you did an excellent job. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep laughing. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the video, so hit the like button and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. One thing, never stop speaking. Even if you can't find a person to talk to yourself. You can do it. I believe in you. See you next time. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.